Hello, Kyle, Matt, and Grace here, and together we created ToGo Hero for the Shopify App Challenge. Now, the premise for ToGo Hero is to empower restaurants across the globe to create their own online ordering system. This way, they don't have to send their own customers over to these expensive third-party apps.
These third-party delivery services can take anywhere from 15 to 30% of what is charged to customers. And so the aspect of a first-party menu is really vital here. With ToGo Hero, restaurants can quickly set up their own online menu, direct their repeat customers there, and keep more of those margins for themselves.
We saw the painful effects of the pandemic on some of our favorite local restaurants. So when the Shopify App Challenge opened, we went all in. Shopify provided us with a lot of good resources to get started. My favorite would be the webinars. That's where I learned the ins and outs of the APIs and Liquid for templating.
This was such a great experience, and we really want to thank the Shopify team for hosting this challenge and for encouraging all of us to take action and build solutions for local businesses during this time. We are really looking forward to seeing ToGo Hero launch and to helping restaurants increase their sales in this new reality.